Join me as I tackle the most challenging trails in Aspro and see if I can conquer them all in one day. Aspro hiking adventures are truly a must-try for nature enthusiasts and adventurers alike. The area offers a unique combination of breathtaking landscapes, diverse wildlife, and thrilling trails that will test your limits and leave you wanting more. When it comes to hiking in Aspro, one of the biggest challenges is finding the best trails that suit your skill level and preferences. There's nothing worse than getting stuck on a trail that's either too easy or too difficult, which can quickly turn an exciting adventure into a frustrating experience. Another common challenge hikers face is preparation. It's essential to pack the right gear, from sturdy hiking boots to waterproof jackets, and to bring enough food and water to keep you energized throughout the day. Without proper preparation, you're putting yourself at risk of getting lost, injured, or stranded in the middle of nowhere. Staying safe while exploring Aspro's wilderness is also crucial. This means being aware of your surroundings, watching out for wildlife, and knowing how to navigate using a map and compass. It's also vital to let someone know your itinerary and expected return time, so they can raise the alarm if anything goes wrong. Finally, overcoming mental and physical fatigue is a significant challenge that many hikers face. Hiking in Aspro can be physically demanding, especially if you're new to hiking or haven't been active for a while. It's essential to listen to your body, take regular breaks, and push yourself without overexerting. Aspro offers a diverse range of hiking trails that cater to different skill levels and interests. From leisurely strolls through lush forests to heart-pumping climbs up rugged mountains, there's something for everyone in Aspro. One of the most popular trails is the Ridge Trail, which offers breathtaking 360-degree views of the surrounding landscape. The trail is moderately difficult, with some steep inclines and rocky terrain, but the scenery is well worth the effort. For those seeking a more challenging adventure, the River Trail is a must-try. This trail takes you deep into the heart of Aspro's wilderness, following the course of a pristine river that flows through the valley. trail is rugged and rocky, with several river crossings and steep climbs, but the scenery is simply stunning. If you're looking for a more leisurely hike, the Valley Trail is an excellent choice. This trail takes you through a beautiful valley surrounded by towering mountains, with abundant wildlife and picturesque waterfalls. The trail is relatively flat and easy to navigate, making it perfect for families or beginners. One hike that stands out in my memory was the time I tackled the infamous Summit Trail. This trail takes you to the highest peak in Aspro, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. The trail was challenging, to say the least, with steep inclines, rocky terrain, and unpredictable weather conditions. But the sense of accomplishment I felt when I reached the summit was incredible, and the views were simply breathtaking. As I looked out over the vast expanse of wilderness, I felt a deep sense of connection to nature and a sense of pride in having pushed myself to the limit. It was an incredible feeling that I'll never forget, and it's what keeps me coming back to Aspro time and time again. In summary, Aspro's hiking adventures offer something for everyone, from leisurely strolls to heart-pumping climbs. With its stunning landscapes, diverse wildlife, and challenging trails, Aspro is a must-visit destination for nature enthusiasts and adventurers alike. So, where's your favorite hiking spot? Have you ever had a particularly memorable hiking experience that you'd like to share? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my next video on outdoor adventures.